Can you do cashback on credit cards? Ultimately, you cannot get cashback on credit cards such as from the cash register. Unless you have a debit card, then you can get cash back from the cash register. You can actually withdraw cash directly from your credit card via the ATM machine, but this would be a cash advance, and that would come with very high fees. If you are looking for a way to get cash back on your purchases, you should consider using a cashback credit card instead. The cashback credit card is a great way to earn rewards on the things you spend your money on every day. These cards allow you to earn a certain percentage of your purchase back in the form of credit, which can be redeemed as a statement credit or deposited into a bank account. There are a few things you should keep in mind before you apply for a cashback card. First, make sure that the card has an annual fee or not. Many cashback cards have annual fees, so you need to make sure that you will earn enough rewards to offset the cost.